Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with our lesson number 12, that is surfing internet. I told you to read that lesson and I have given you one live worksheet to solve that. Okay, and I hope you all have read the lesson and solved that worksheet. So let us start our lesson, surfing internet. Surfing means how you are going to explore internet. Okay. Now the name internet itself suggests its meaning, and it stands for your international networks. Okay, what is the full form of internet? International networks. Now what is network? A network is an interconnection. Okay, interconnection between two or more computers. When you are going to connect two or more computers, that is known as your network. And internet is an example of your network. Okay, network means when you are going to connect two or more computers, and in internet many millions of computers are connected together, so that is the example of your network. Now the internet is a network of network. Okay, what is that internet? Network of networks. Many networks are combined together to form that internet that consists of millions of computers spread all over the world. Now this internet allows us to share the information worldwide. With the advent of internet, the old saying world is too small, ठीक है, पहले बोला जाता था कि world is too small, has been replaced by the new term global village. ठीक है, जब टेलीविज़न आया था, टेलीविज़न का इन्वेंशन हुआ था, तो उसको बोला गया था टेलीविज़न इज़ अ विंडो टू वर्ल्ड. Okay, television is a window to world, and when the internet comes, then the new term is launched, that is your global village. Now what is that global village? Village is a small, and now your world is becoming small, means you can contact anywhere in the world using your internet. So world will be visualized as your village by using your internet. So the term global village has introduced. Now this is a fact file about your person. This person is your Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, this photograph is of Tim Berners-Lee, and he has made the first वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, मतलब वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब के जो पेजेस बनाए गए, फर्स्ट जो वेबसाइट बनाई गई, दैट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय सर टिम बर्नर्स-ली. Now we will discuss about brief history of internet, how that internet was evolved. In 1969, when man walked onto the moon, the US Defense Department set an advanced research project agency. Okay, जब 1969 में मून पर पर्सन गए थे, आपके नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग गए थे, देन यूएस डिफेंस डिपार्टमेंट सेट एन एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी. उन्होंने एक रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी बनाई, उन्होंने एक प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप किया और उस प्रोजेक्ट का नाम रखा आपका आरपा. ठीक है, एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी फॉर फर्दर रिसर्च. Now in that project they designed a network of 4 computers. उन्होंने 4 computers को एक साथ कनेक्ट किया था to exchange and share their data. This network was called ARPANET. उस नेटवर्क को नाम दिया, उस प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू जो नेटवर्क कंप्यूटर्स ने इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर की उसको नाम दिया गया एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी नेटवर्क. Later many universities were allowed to join that network. उसके बाद जब उनका काम हो गया, they have donated that project to many universities to use that to share their information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to internet, the technology which has radically changed the world. Now earlier internet was used by only engineers and your scientists and your computer experts. Okay, so but gradually network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. Then people started using it for sending messages and files. Now the most interesting thing about internet is that no single agency controls or maintains the internet. ठीक है, there is no single agency, किसी एक का wholesome वो नहीं है कि this is the internet is a product of this company. Okay, it's governed by your public department. Now this is the example of your BSNL. ठीक है, first it was your VSNL. ठीक है, पहले उसका नाम क्या था, VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड. नाउ इट इज़ योर भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड. तो इन इंडिया इंटरनेट सर्विसेज started on 15th August 1995 through your government owned company BSNL. ठीक है, at that time the name of BSNL was your BSNL. The private internet service providers like your Airtel, Reliance, then your Tata Indicom or your Vodafone or your City or any other company. Okay, they are also the internet service providers, but they are your private internet service providers. Now ISP means your internet service provider, means the companies which provide internet to public. Now what is that browser? Browser will helps you to able to display pages on the computer. ठीक है, browser is a software which is used to open your pages on internet. Suppose you are not having browser, you cannot open Google. If you are going to open Google Chrome, that is a browser. If you are going to open a Mozilla Firefox, that is a browser. So browser is a software which is used to open your web pages. Now these are the name of some companies which are your ISP, means your internet service providers. Now we will talk about the popular services on internet, what internet provides us, what services are provided by internet. So the basic purpose of internet is to make our life better. Now in this pandemic situation, we have discovered that internet is a thing which helps us to study also at home. You all are studying online because of that internet. If no internet was there, then what happened? You cannot study. Okay, your ear will be lost. आप पढ़ ही नहीं पाते. ठीक है, तो due to that internet we are able to read and write. So it's a thing which is available for your human welfare. So there are many facilities on the internet. One is your World Wide Web. Now what is that World Wide Web? It's a server where the pages are stored. World Wide Web is a large computer network where by using a browser such as your Netscape. Now browser के name है ये Netscape, Internet Explorer. Okay, you can surf and get information. Now this World Wide Web consists of all the public websites connected to your internet worldwide, including the client devices such as your computers and your cell phones. So now what we have read in this lesson, what we have discussed about that lesson, कि what is that internet, internet का full form क्या है, that is your international network, how it was developed, which was the first project, that was your ARPANET. So you read this part. That's all for today. Bye bye.